Let me show you how you guys can play eFootball on PC with a keyboard. It's pretty simple. Just go to your library and click on eFootball like this. Now don't play eFootball right now. You want to click on this setting icon over here, and inside here just go on the option manage. From inside manage, click on browse local files. Just click on that. Once you click on that, this thing opens up. Then just you want to click on settings. Wait for some time until eFootball setting opens up, because if you're using PC, your keyboard is going to be connected by default. So what you just need to do is remember the keybind. So go on keyboard and just look at this over here. You see that? For LT, the control for keyboard is Z. So all the controls over here is shown for your controller. Right beside it, you see all this, right? This is basically your keyboard's config. You can change all of this. Like, let's say I don't want Z, I want it to be transformed to WASD or anything. I can change it from here. Once I change my keybind over here, what I can do is click on OK and start playing eFootball with whatever keybind I just set. So that's basically how you guys can play eFootball on PC with keyboard and mouse. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.